Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use L-carnitine tablets for fat loss. L-carnitine is a natural compound that plays a crucial role in energy metabolism. It helps transport long-chain fatty acids into your cell's mitochondria, where they are burned for energy. This process can enhance your body's ability to utilize stored fat, making it a valuable addition to your wellness routine when aiming for fat reduction. It supports your body's natural fat-burning mechanisms. For optimal results, a typical daily dosage of L-carnitine ranges from 500 milligrams to 2 grams. It's often recommended to take your tablet 30 to 60 minutes before your workout to maximize its impact on fat burning during exercise. However, consistency is key. Taking it daily, even on non-training days, can help maintain its benefits. Always start with a lower dose and gradually increase as needed, observing your body's response. When selecting L-carnitine, you'll find different forms available. L-carnitine L-tartrate is widely favored for its role in exercise performance and recovery. Acetyl L-carnitine, another popular form, offers additional benefits for brain function and cognitive health, alongside its metabolic support. Always choose a reputable brand to ensure quality and purity. Remember, it's wise to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating any new supplement into your regimen. To truly maximize your fat loss journey with L-carnitine, remember it's a supportive tool, not a standalone solution. Integrate it with a well-balanced, calorie-controlled diet rich in whole foods. Consistent physical activity, including both cardio and strength training, is also essential. Furthermore, ensure you're getting adequate sleep, typically 7 to 9 hours per night, as proper rest significantly impacts metabolism and recovery. These habits amplify L-carnitine's effects.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.